Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to add a new page to your Webflow project. So let's imagine you have your homepage, you have your privacy policy, and now you want to add your terms of service. And to do this, it's very, very simple. You go into the Webflow designer and then you can just click create new page, and boom, the new page will be populated. And now you can, for example, change the name. So from page name terms of service, make sure to also use or change the slug. So this is basically the URL that you are creating. And now you can just click create and the page is here. And now you can start building everything that you want or need. If you want to reuse any kind of like template or style that you already had before, you can also simply go to settings, duplicate, and the same thing would happen. So here, imprint copy, we could just create the page, boom. And yeah, this is what it would look like. So very, very simple. If you have any questions around this, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.